welcome back to Apex Motive Cars. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning, the all-electric beast that's redefining what a truck can be. Ford has taken everything we love about the F-Series and electrified it with smarter tech, bolder design, and more power than ever. The 2026 model arrives with a refined front fascia, new lighting signatures, and updated wheel options. Built on Ford's proven EV platform, the Lightning offers both workhorse capability and futuristic efficiency. This isn't just a pickup, it's a statement. Whether you're towing on the job site or cruising the city, this truck is built for it all. Let's break down what makes the 2026 Lightning truly electrifying. Inside the 2026 F-150 Lightning, comfort meets cutting-edge tech. The cabin has been upgraded with premium materials, soft-touch finishes, and enhanced noise insulation. At the center, a massive 15.5-inch portrait-style touchscreen runs Ford's latest F-150 system with over-the-air updates. The digital gauge cluster has improved UI and customization for your drive preferences. Ford's Max recline front seats, wireless phone charging, and a spacious flat-load floor make it both practical and plush. Rear passengers aren't left behind either, with ample legroom and USB-C ports for all their devices. This interior doesn't just support work, it supports lifestyle. Now let's talk power. The 2026 Lightning offers dual electric motors and comes in two battery options, standard and extended range. With the extended range battery, you get up to 580 horsepower and 775 lb-ft of torque, launching this truck from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. It can tow up to 10,000 pounds, and the range now pushes up to 350 miles on a single charge, thanks to software and thermal improvements. Plus, the Lightning features Ford's intelligent backup power, turning the truck into a mobile generator for your home or job site. Raw muscle meets clean energy, exactly what the future demands. On the road, the F-150 Lightning 2026 is smoother, quieter, and more responsive than you'd expect from a full-size truck. The low center of gravity from the battery pack improves cornering and handling. Drive modes like tow/haul, sport, and off-road allow the Lightning to adapt to any condition. The available BlueCruise hands-free driving tech has also been upgraded for more highway coverage and smoother lane transitions. Whether navigating tight city streets or rolling through open highways, the Lightning feels solid and controlled. And let's not forget the independent rear suspension, a first for F-Series trucks, giving this EV unmatched ride comfort. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning? It's not just the future of pickups, it's the present, perfected. Ford has combined innovation, utility, and eco-conscious power in one sleek, tough package. From its tech-loaded interior to jaw-dropping performance, this truck proves that going electric doesn't mean compromising capability. Whether you're a fleet owner, outdoor adventurer, or daily commuter, the Lightning is ready to charge your journey ahead. That's it from Apex Motive Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on the hottest upcoming models. See you next time.